Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to find your exported videos on the CapCut PC. So here I've already opened my CapCut PC and I want to, let's say, export this project. Okay, so before you exporting, if you want to find your exported video later, you can just here uh, see the exporting path or the folder that the video will save into before you exporting. So in here you can see there is an option to export to. You can just click on this folder icon, and in here you can see the exporting path or where the video will be saved. So you just need to remember that, and after that you can just export. So if you don't check the exporting path before, you can actually just follow the steps that I'm about to tell you. Okay, so here, don't close this box after the CapCut PC finish exporting your project. You just need to click on this open folder option to find your exported videos. So when you click that, the folder will be open and here is your exported videos that you've just exported. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. Bye!